focus on today's mathematics class will be solving certain past questions on mathematics, especially on WAEC. We'll be solving one objective question, simplification. We are still under simplification. We'll be looking at this objective question in WAEC 2016. Then we'll also be looking at this theory question in WAEC 2015. Like I said, we are still on a series on simplification. This is a topic that comes out on a yearly basis. Now, look at this first question, objective. We have 3/4, that's bracket 3/4 minus 2/3, close bracket, times 1/5. The objectives we have are 1/6, 5/72, 1/10, 1/7/10. Which of them will be the correct answer? Let's look at it. Remember, I taught you earlier that the sequence that we must follow while solving any simplification question is board mass. Say it, board mass. We have BODMAS. So we have bracket of division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. I've said that you cannot solve off if there is bracket. We must solve this before this, before this, before this. So this question we have brackets. In the objective question, it is 3 whole number 4 minus 2 whole number over 3 times 1 whole number 1/5. What do we do? Simple. Let's solve the bracket, right? So we will do 3/4 minus 2/3. Because I've taught you that anytime you have a simplification, anytime we have minus sign or plus addition sign, we must find the LCM. So let's look at the LCM of 4 and 3. We'll come here for LCM. LCM of 4 and 3, we have 3 and 4. What can go? 2. 2 into 3 cannot go. Bring it down. 2 into this can go. 2 can go again. 2 into 3 cannot go. Bring it down. 2 into this will be 1. 3 can go. 3 into this 1. 3 into 1, 1. So we now have 2 times 2 times 3. 2 times 2, 4. 4 times 3 is 12. So the LCM of 4 and 3 will be 12. 4 divided 12 will give us 3. 3 times 3 will give us 9. Minus, this minus is coming here. 3 divided 12 is 4. 4 times 2 will give us 8. Therefore, we will now have 9 minus 8 will now have 1/12. In the bracket, we've got 1/12. Let us now use 1/12 and add it to this. Add to 1 whole number 1/5. So we have this 1/5. We have solved this and we got this. So it will now be 1/12 multiplied by 1 whole number 1/5. In a case like this, the first thing to do is to change this mixed fraction to become an improper fraction. How do we do that? It will become 1 whole number 1/12 multiplied by 1 times 5 times 1 will give us 5 plus 5 plus 1 will give us 6 all over 5. And I have taught you in the other classes. By the way, we have done some other classes on simplification. Go over to our channel, search for simplification videos of mathematics. You should be able to see them. If you have not subscribed, this is the right time to subscribe. The reason why we always tell you to subscribe is it will help you to know when we post other tutorials that will help you. Subscribe and invite your classmates, your friends to also join us in the class. Now, I've taught you in the other classes that whenever you have multiplication, you should not find LCM. You should not find LCM. What you do here is simply to multiply. So we have this, it will now be, okay, first of all, let us simplify. 6 can divide 6 and give us 1. 6 can divide 12 and give us 2. So we will now have 1 times 1 will give us 1. 2 times 5 will give us 10. Therefore, the final answer of this objective question is 10. So C is the right answer. I hope you understand. We have solved and gotten our C to be the right answer. Let us now try to solve the theory question. The theory question is WAEC 2015. It asks us trigon number 4 over 9 divided by 5 whole number 1 over 3 minus 2 whole number 3 over 4 plus 5 whole number 9 over 10. How do we solve this? I taught you that we must solve our bracket first. After brackets, we will solve division. We will have to resolve this bracket first. After we resolve the bracket, we will now get down to the division. After the division, we will now go to the addition. Reason being that in board maths, you get your B bracket before your D division, before your A addition. So look, let's look at this. We have 5 whole number 1 over 3 minus 2 whole number 3 over 4. What does that mean? We will change this mixed fraction to improper fraction. It will now be 3 times 5 is 15. 15 plus 1 is 16. 16 all over 3 minus 4 times 2, 8. 8 plus 3 is 11. We now have 11 over 4. And I've taught you that anytime we are looking at subtraction sign or addition sign, we must look for LCM. So LCM, what is the LCM? Solve it. What is the LCM of 3 and 4? Like we did in the other, when we were solving the objective, you should get that LCM of 3 and 4 is 12. So we will now have 12. 3 divided 12 is 4. 4 into 16. 4 into 16 is 64. Minus, this minus sign. 12 divided by 4 is 3. 3 into 11 will give us 33. What do we then do? 64 minus 33 will give us 31 all over 12. After we have solved the bracket, this bracket, we got 31 over 12. What is the next thing for us to do? Let us now solve the division. It will now be 3 whole number 4 over 9 divided by what? Divided by the bracket. But we have gotten the bracket. Our bracket is 31 over 12. We will now have divided by 31 over 12. Let us change this mixed fraction to improper fraction. 9 times 3 is what? 9 times 3 should give us 27. 27 plus 4 will give us 31. So we'll now have 31 over 9 divided by 31 over 12. I've taught you, anytime we get division sign, we should not find LCM. What we will do is we will change this division sign to become multiplication sign. How do we do that? Denominator here will go up and numerator will come down. It will now be 31 over 9 multiplied by, we have changed division to become multiplication, multiplied by 12 over 31. Did you see that? Did you see that 12 has now gone up, 31 came down, because we changed division sign to multiplication sign. So anytime in simplification you see division sign, change it to multiplication sign. Now, what do we do? We have 31 here, 31 here. We will divide and divide. 31 is gone. So we now have 1 here, 1 here. We have 9 here, we have 12 here. What can go? Can anything go? Yes, 3 can divide. 3 divide 9 will give us 3. 3 divide 12 will give us 4. So we will now have 1 times 4 is 4, 3 times 1 is 3. So after solving this second aspect, the division part, we have 4 over 3. But we are not done. We must now also do the addition. So we have solved here and here and gotten 4 over 3. We will now have 4 over 3 plus 5 whole number 9 over 10. What should we get? Like I normally tell you, the first step we'll do here is convert this expression 5 whole number 9 over 3 over 10 to become an improper fraction. How do we do that? 10 times 5 is 50. 50 plus 9 is 59. So we now have 4 whole number 4 over 3 plus 59 over 10. LCM of 3 and 10 should be 30. Right? LCM of 3 and 10 is 30. Now, we'll now do 30 divided by 3 is 10. 10 times 4 is 40 plus 30 divided by 10 is 3. 3 times 59. 59 times 3 will give us 177. 177. 177 plus 40 will give us 217 all over 30 divided by 30, which will then give us 7 whole number 7 over 30. This is the final answer. Now, if you solve this, you will arrive at 7 whole number 7 over 30. If you don't know how we were able to convert this improper fraction to a mixed fraction, ask us right now in the comment section. Go ahead and like this this video, share to your classmates, your friends, your colleagues, subscribe if you have not subscribed, and follow us up in the next